Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, dear brothers and sisters. My name is Hosai Mojaddidi, and I'm so excited to announce an upcoming class that I'm going to be doing, inshallah, with the Jannah Institute called Mindful Marriage in Islam. We're going to talk about the methods, the means, the myths, and what matters most about marriage in Islam. So the course is for singles who are navigating the complexities of the courtship process in Islam, as well as for those who are already married and maybe looking for some balance with communication and other issues that are coming up for them. And it's also for those who are struggling in their marriage and maybe even thinking about separation or divorce. So it's a 4-week intensive course beginning on January 8th, going until January 29th. You can learn more about the course at thejannahinstitute.org. We really invite you to please tell your friends and let people know, inshallah, and we look forward to seeing you there. Jazakumullahu khairan. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.